can stand there and not get the refrigerator.
Okay, you don't want the refrigerator.
3, 2.
I like our refrigerator.
Hey, Squam, get back in there. Squam.
He's hungry.
I'm going hungry.
The soup smells good.
I'm going hungry. Now I need a grabber. I'm gonna get my grabber.
They're dancing.
Where are my grabbers? Frickle frack. I can't see nothing in these dumb glasses. There goes the cuckoo clock. Bunch of crazy mess around here. Now let me show you these real cool, real quick. Now let's start with that.
You got a hot dog joke?
You gotta get in the mood.
I know. Come on, Coot. Yeehaw! Let's do this thing.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hey y'all, welcome back. Get rolling.
It is rolling.
Yay.
Rolling.
Hey y'all. Oh,
Yeah.
All right.
So just start from.
Let's just start it all over.
No, not the whole thing.
Is it okay to leave the chicken laying in the sink like that? Do people think that's nasty?
I would.
Yes, you do the chicken dance. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Tell a joke, Coot.
Tell a joke, Coot. I'll tell a dirty joke. Y'all want to hear a dirty joke? Here's your dirty joke.
Oh, sorry.
We're trying to film him. Okay, you get him to be quiet. You don't want no rock and roll dancing or no break dancing or nothing.
You good news there.
Huh?
You good news there.
Are you? I'm going to sell that dog's what I'm going to do. When you do this in a crock pot.
Say that line again because it's not a crock pot.
Ooh, yeah. That is bland.
Wait, do that again because you shook the spoon back into the pot.
Oh. You want to taste it?
Sure.
Thank y'all for coming by and spending some time with me and cooking with Coot and the vegetables or whatever you want to go with it ready, and we'll. Now I'm telling you, So what can we do while we're waiting on them to sizzle up?
Break dance.
Nah, I did that on one video already. Sacrifice it.
Sacrifice it. Sacrifice it. Sacrifice it.
Now, where'd that little thing of flour go?
I put it away.
You put it away! I don't beat you one. I better not put that on. I don't ever have everything I need. What do I want to stir this with?
A wooden spoon, maybe?
That's a good idea. I think he's playing music in there. Reckon that'll hold it? That probably won't hold it. Boss lady said no. What you do? We're going to put it over here on the counter. No, go the other way. Thank you for coming by, Uncle Coot, cooking with Coot, teaching the cooker, fricker rocker. I'm choking to death. Woo, that's some kind of good right there. I'm telling you this. I'm spitting stuff out through my teeth.